When it's moving, I'm not terrified. It's like when it takes off and when it gets whenever I freak out. But focus on that, whatever's in the water.